Okay, I welcome all of you to the to my channel Gaming with Faraz, and today we are going to be continuing our programming techniques with Java. So before starting the video, I want to make one thing clear, that the giveaway is still open. You can visit the video in the description and can join the contest. Sorry, context. I've given the link in the description down here. Okay, so in this video we're gonna be talking about certain things, certain tricks, and by the end of this video you will be able to answer these questions. Can I have more than 1 minute, more than one main method, and what is the reason? That's gonna be two questions that you can answer if you watch the entire video that we're gonna start here. Okay, so I'm gonna be writing certain code here. If I consider a class here, consider it to be as a name with main. So this container is gonna have its main class is a public static void main in that string dot arguments. You know what that is. If you don't know, you can again go down and check and checking the link in the description below. So I'm gonna be system.out.println of main1. That's gonna be my main method. What happens if I take a public static void main with int args? So system.out.println main2. So what is the output that you're expecting here? Certain people may think that we may report an error. That's completely wrong. You will not get an error. In fact, you will get an output without any single error. There will be no errors in your program. So what is the reason behind using two main method? In short, I can say that what I'm doing here can be called in the programming term as the overloading of main method. That's it. So that's possible. Now the answer to the question is yes. Now the reason is how and why. You have to know that how that code is gonna work and why it is so. So what happens here is your JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, will always call the main method with string parentheses or string args. A main method with these parameters is called or considered to be the main method. So this method is called, means main1 is called here and is considered to be the main method. So the next question arises here is, what about the second main method? That is this one right here. So that method is actually treated as a normal method. So if I want to have means I want to use this method, that second main or main2, then I have to call it explicitly like a normal method. That's it, because the JVM architecture contains the main structure with the string arrays or string dot variable with arguments with args as its syntax. So whatever you take, whatever name you take, it doesn't matter so much, because the structure in the JVM is as same as this one. It is gonna match there. So that's gonna be it here. So for that, I'm gonna give you a certain demonstration here. I'm gonna open my notepad here. So there we go. Class overload main. So, come on, public static void main with string dot arguments. Okay. So I'm gonna be having here system.out.println with main1, and again public static and void main with int dot arguments, then you have this one, system dot out dot println of main2. I'm trying to execute this. I'm gonna copy this name here first, overload main, copy, and I'm gonna say gonna be. Now we're gonna run this thing, d:/cd java java programs java space over. I'm gonna paste this dot java. Yeah, you see that it compiles fine. I'm gonna run it now, java space overload main. That's gonna be it, main1. Now the reason behind this output is as simple as a tape, because you see that I'm not calling this method at all. This method is treated as a normal one. What if I can do any modification here? What I'll do is here, I'll try calling that main method. I'll just call that main method with some argument 1, 2. Okay. So really, no. You see that main2 is also now being. You can see here main2 is now also executed. When you call it, it will be executed. So what if you give empty parameters? Let's try that. You get an error. The reason behind this is the compiler or JVM is unable to understand whether you're calling that main method, this main method, or this main method. What if I give a string here? What if I give it a Faraz? Yeah, look at that. It compiles fine. That's gonna be infinite because it's a sort of recursion process here, and that's never gonna stop. Pros break. That's gonna be it. And I thank you all of you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and follow the series. Learn. Thank you very much.